In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock on Fire TV. Step 1. Open the App Store on Fire TV. On your Fire TV home screen, navigate to the search bar. Type Peacock to locate the app in the store. Step 2. Download and install. Select the Peacock app from the search results. Click Get or Download to install the app on your Fire TV. Step 3. Log in and start watching. Launch the Peacock app after installation and log in with your credentials and start streaming. That's how you use Peacock on Fire TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and don't forget to like and subscribe.